How long does it take sunlight to travel from the sun to Earth? 1 second. 1 hour. 24 hours. 8 minutes. Correct answer, 8 minutes. In a real experiment, what skill did scientists teach rats? Play tiny basketball, do card tricks, drive tiny cars, paint with their tails. Correct answer, drive tiny cars. What gives flamingos their pink color? From birth, their food, sunlight, pink dust. Correct answer, their food,